watch what I say and make. Hi guys, thanks for watching by. In this video you will learn how to make boys round neck t-shirt pattern. So watch full tutorial. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment on this video. Click bell icon button for next tutorial. Here is starting boys round neck t-shirt pattern. Let's see how to start. First we paper fold, make paper fold, find the center front line, center back line, center front line, center back line. Today I make girls crow neck t-shirt pattern, back front in one pattern, drawing horizontal line. This is shoulder and neck line. Says 28 divided by 12, 28 divided by 12. We got 238 inch half neck width, 238 inch back neck width, half inch back neck deep, back neck round line, 238 inch front neck deep. Says 28 divided by 12, 238 front neck deep, front neck line round. Shoulder 12 half 6 inch shoulder width. Now shoulder slope says 28 divided by 24. We got 118 shoulder slope. This is shoulder line. Armhole deep line says 28 divided by 4. We got 7 inch. This is armhole deep line and chest line. Armhole deep line and chest line. Drawing armhole line, chest line. T-shirt length 18 half inch t-shirt length. Drawing t-shirt sweep and bottom hip line. Waist position 12 inch. Waistline position 12 inch. Waistline drawing says 28 divided by 4. We got 7 inch. Says waist 26 divided by 4. We got 7 and waist 26 divided by 4. We got 6.5 inch. Bottom 28. Hip 28 divided by 4. We got 7 inch. Side seam line. Armhole frock line 1/4 inch inside from side seam. Back armhole line. Girls crow neck t-shirt pattern. Drafting. Finish back front together. Here now I added 38 seam allowance, neck area and shoulder seam. Armhole line 38 seam allowance, 3/4 inch seam allowance as at bottom hem, 3/4 seam allowance at bottom hem line. T-shirt green line. Now start cutting t-shirt back front together one pattern. When you need cutting, that time need separate back front separate cutting. Back front cutting from neck line. Back part back neck line, front neck line. Across front middle armhole deep 7 inch, half 3.5 inch, half inch down 4 inch. Across front line. Across front 38 smaller than back, across back. Across front line. Here across front 1/4 inch smaller than across back. Across front line drawing. Across front line drawing. Now cut across front line. Across front line cutting. Front armhole cutting. Across front. Across back. 38 seam allowance at front neck line. Mark 38 seam allowance at neck line and front armhole line. 38 seam allowance. Mark 38 seam allowance. Mark line. Now front neckline cutting. Front neckline cutting. Now front neckline cutting. Back neckline, front neckline. One pattern. T-shirt front part. Cut 1. T-shirt back part. Cut 1. the back part, front part. Now slip making. First I here paper fold, find the slip top line, draw a line. This is slip head line. Slip length 6 inches. Slip hem opening line. Slip hem full opening 9 inch half, 4.5 inch, 6 half. Slip bicep with 6 half, 6 half, half 3/4, quarter-inch less, 3 inch slip cap height. Slip bicep with line. Slip bicep line 6 half, quarter-inch plus. Six 3/4 halves, 338 half, 1/560, quarter-inch up, 3/8 up, quarter-inch down. Slip cap line, slip armor line, slip armor line. Body armor 7 inch. Sleeve armor, sleeve inseam line, 3/4 sleeve hem seam allowance, three-eighths seam allowance. Sleeve cutting, girls coroneck t-shirt slip pattern, drawing and cutting. Finish. Quarter-inch reduce for front side, front armhole, 3/8 seam allowance. Slip center nose mark, back side 2 nose mark, front side 1 nose mark. Sleeve hem nose mark, t-shirt bottom hem nose mark, front side 1 nose mark, back side 2 nose mark, back armhole side. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment on this video. Girls coroneck t-shirt pattern, back front together one pattern, sleeve one pattern. Neck rib, first paper I make fold, neck rib top line, body neckline, 3/4 double, 13.5 inch, full body neckline, 2 inch reduce. We remember always body neckline, neck rib pattern smaller than 2 inch from body neckline. Neck rib height 3/4, 1 seam margin, 3/8 seam margin. Neck rib green line. Girls coroneck t-shirt neck rib pattern, slip pattern, front pattern, back pattern. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment on this video, subscribe my channel, click for bell button for next video.